from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A school board member announces she's running for the Virginia House of Delegates, and Henrico establishes a new technology zone. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. It's brought to you today by the Forward Foundation.
And now for the news.
Henrico School Board Chair and Varina District Representative Alicia Atkins yesterday declared her campaign for the Virginia House of Delegates 81st District seat, which is currently held by Delegate Dolores McQuinn. Atkins is likely to face off against McQuinn for the Democratic nomination in the June primary election prior to next November's general election. McQuinn earned more than 80% of the vote to claim the party's nomination last year against challenger Terrence Walker, and then faced no Republican challenger during that year's general election. McQuinn first was elected in 2009. Atkins became the first black woman to serve on the county school board when she was elected in 2019, and also became the first black woman to serve as board chair after being elected to that position in January. She won re-election to her seat last year with about 73% of the vote, defeating challenger Dominique Perval. Yesterday afternoon, county officials gathered in Cumberland County at the site of the Cobbs Creek Reservoir, which Henrico has been building for a number of years now. The gathering marked a key step in the construction of the 1,100-acre reservoir, which will serve Henrico's water needs once it opens. Officials yesterday named it the Virgil R. Hazlett Reservoir at Cobbs Creek in honor of the former Henrico County manager, who was the predecessor to current county manager John Vitolkas. Hazlett and other county officials were in attendance. They toasted the new name with water from the site in commemorative tumblers. Henrico officials will hold a town hall meeting in Sandston at Sandston Elementary School November 19th at 6 p.m. That's next Tuesday. Members of the Henrico Division of Police will be on hand to discuss past and current issues in the community, which recently has experienced a rash of break-ins and vandalism. In last night's Board of Supervisors meeting, the board approved an ordinance that establishes the Greater Henrico Technology Zone, which includes all office-use properties across the county, and replaces a technology zone previously established for the Innsbrook Office Park. Businesses that qualify for the zone are eligible for incentives like the waiving of building and permit fees and planning application fees as well, and any others agreed to by the Henrico Economic Development Authority on a case-by-case basis. Qualifying businesses must provide $1 million or more in new capital investment and create at least 10 jobs that pay at least the local prevailing wage. Are you a working single parent in the midst of a financial crisis, or maybe know someone who is? Forward Foundation wants to help. Forward Foundation is a nonprofit dedicated to helping single parents who have children under the age of 12 and need child care but who are ineligible for Department of Social Services assistance because of income levels. Learn more at forwardfoundationva.org or by calling 804-840-8687. Forward Foundation, empowering action to move forward.